Hi everyone! Welcome to Decor Tricks channel, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in home design and renovation. In today's video, we're diving into the world of kitchen renovations and sharing the top ideas for 2024 that blend functionality, style, and sustainability. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen overhaul or just looking for some inspiration to refresh your space, we've got you covered. Throughout this video, we'll be showcasing some of the most exciting trends in kitchen design, from sustainable materials and smart technology to bold colors, innovative storage solutions, and personalized touches that make your kitchen truly unique. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore the best kitchen renovation ideas for 2024. Let's kick things off with a focus on sustainability in kitchen design. In 2024, eco-friendly materials are more popular than ever, not just for their environmental benefits, but also for their durability and aesthetic appeal. One of the key trends we're seeing is the use of recycled and reclaimed materials. Imagine having cabinets made from beautifully weathered reclaimed wood or countertops crafted from recycled glass. These choices not only add character to your kitchen, but also reduce the demand for new resources. Additionally, opting for low-VOC paints and finishes is another way to make your kitchen renovation eco-friendly. These products emit fewer harmful chemicals, contributing to better indoor air quality for you and your family. Now let's talk about how technology is transforming the modern kitchen. In 2024, smart appliances are becoming increasingly popular for their convenience and efficiency. Imagine having a refrigerator that can suggest recipes based on its contents, or an oven you can control with your smartphone. Smart faucets with motion sensors are another game changer, making it easier to conserve water and maintain hygiene while cooking. And let's not forget about integrated lighting systems that allow you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion, all with a tap on your phone. These smart technologies not only make your life easier, but also contribute to a more sustainable kitchen by optimizing energy and water usage. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, consider adding some smart features to enhance functionality and style. Now let's dive into the exciting world of colors and contrasts in kitchen design. In 2024, bold and contrasting color schemes are making a big statement. Picture a kitchen with dark lower cabinets paired with light upper cabinets, creating a striking visual contrast that's both modern and timeless. Another trend we're seeing is the use of bold backsplashes. Think colorful tiles or intricate patterns that serve as focal points in the kitchen. These backsplashes not only add personality, but also allow you to showcase your style and creativity. By incorporating bold colors and contrasts, you can transform your kitchen into a vibrant and inviting space that reflects your unique taste. So, don't be afraid to play with colors and mix things up to create a kitchen that stands out from the crowd. Let's shift our focus to the elements that bring openness and sophistication to modern kitchens. In 2024, open shelving and glass front cabinets are taking center stage. Imagine replacing some upper cabinets with open shelves, displaying your favorite dishes, cookbooks, and decor pieces. This not only creates an airy feel, but also adds a touch of personalization to your space. Glass front cabinets are another popular choice, offering a way to showcase your beautiful dishware while keeping everything organized and dust-free. These cabinets can also make your kitchen appear larger and more spacious by reflecting light. By incorporating open shelving and glass fronts, you can achieve a balanced mix of functionality and aesthetics, making your kitchen a stylish and practical place to work and entertain. Let's talk about the heart of many modern kitchens, the large kitchen island. In 2024, these islands are more than just additional counter space, they're multifunctional hubs designed to streamline your cooking and dining experience. Imagine an island with built-in seating, providing a cozy spot for family and friends to gather while you cook. These islands often come equipped with storage solutions, allowing you to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Waterfall countertops are another trend we're seeing in island design. These countertops extend down the sides of the island, creating a seamless and visually stunning look that adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. By incorporating a large kitchen island into your design, you not only increase your workspace, but also create a central gathering spot that enhances the functionality and style of your kitchen. Let's delve into the world of clever storage solutions that keep your kitchen organized and efficient. In 2024, hidden storage options are a game changer, maximizing space while maintaining a sleek and uncluttered look. One popular solution is pull-out pantries, which allow you to access items stored in narrow spaces with ease. These shelving units can be customized to fit your needs, whether it's storing spices, canned goods, or cooking utensils. Appliance garages are another innovative storage solution, keeping small appliances like toasters and blenders hidden behind retractable doors. This not only frees up valuable counter space, but also keeps your kitchen looking tidy and streamlined. By incorporating hidden storage solutions into your kitchen design, you create a functional and organized space that maximizes efficiency and minimizes visual clutter, allowing you to focus on what matters most, cooking and enjoying time in your kitchen. Now, let's explore how warm and natural tones can transform the ambience of your kitchen. In 2024, there's a growing preference for earthy color palettes and natural wood finishes that create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Imagine a kitchen with rich terracotta accents or olive green cabinets paired with warm wood tones. These colors not only add warmth, but also create a connection to nature, making your kitchen feel like a welcoming retreat. Natural wood finishes, whether for cabinets, flooring, or accents, are another hallmark of this trend. From light oak to dark walnut, these finishes bring a sense of warmth and authenticity to your space, adding depth and character. Let's dive into the realm of textures and how they can add depth and visual interest to your kitchen. In 2024, textured surfaces are making a big impact, offering a tactile experience and enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Imagine a kitchen with a textured backsplash, such as subway tiles with a matte finish or intricate patterns that create a sense of movement. These textures not only catch the eye but also add a layer of sophistication to your space. Another trend we're seeing is matte finishes on cabinets and countertops. Unlike glossy surfaces that reflect light, matte finishes create a soft and understated look while hiding fingerprints and smudges, making maintenance a breeze. Let's shed some light on how strategic lighting can elevate your kitchen's ambience and functionality. In 2024, layered lighting is key to creating a well-lit and inviting space. Picture a kitchen with ambient lighting that provides overall illumination, task lighting that focuses on specific work areas like the countertop or sink, and accent lighting that highlights architectural features or decor. This layered approach allows you to customize the lighting based on your needs and mood. Under-cabinet lighting is another must-have in modern kitchens, offering both task lighting for food preparation and a touch of ambience during evening gatherings. These lights not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen's design. Let's talk about creating personalized spaces within your kitchen that cater to your unique lifestyle and preferences. In 2024, customization is key to making your kitchen truly yours. Imagine having a dedicated coffee station where you can brew your favorite blend every morning, complete with a stylish espresso machine and a selection of gourmet beans. This personalized nook not only adds convenience, but also adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Wine enthusiasts can create a wine bar area with a built-in wine fridge, elegant wine racks, and a cozy seating area for wine tastings with friends. This personalized space allows you to showcase your wine collection and indulge in your passion for oenology. Baking enthusiasts can carve out a baking corner with specialized storage for baking ingredients, utensils, and appliances. This space is designed to inspire creativity and make baking a joyous experience. Let's explore how sustainable and smart flooring choices can enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen. In 2024, eco-friendly flooring options and smart technologies are gaining popularity for their practicality and environmental benefits. Imagine stepping onto a cork or bamboo floor, knowing that these materials are sustainable and durable, making them ideal choices for high-traffic areas like the kitchen. These flooring options not only reduce environmental impact, but also add a touch of natural warmth to your space. Radiant heating systems are another smart choice for kitchen flooring, providing efficient and comfortable warmth during colder months. These systems can be controlled remotely, allowing you to adjust the temperature and energy usage according to your needs. Let's discuss the seamless integration of dining and cooking spaces within modern kitchens. In 2024, the trend is all about creating multifunctional areas that promote interaction and convenience. Imagine having an eat-in kitchen where the cooking and dining areas flow seamlessly together, allowing you to prepare meals while still engaging with family and guests. This setup encourages social interactions and makes mealtime gatherings more enjoyable. Integrated dining features such as built-in banquettes or breakfast bars with stools provide additional seating options and maximize space utilization. These features are not only practical but also add a touch of style and comfort to your kitchen. Renovating your kitchen in 2024 offers exciting opportunities to blend functionality, style, sustainability, and technology. By incorporating sustainable materials like recycled wood and low-VOC finishes, embracing smart kitchen technology such as smart appliances and touchless faucets, experimenting with bold colors and contrasts, and integrating open shelving and glass fronts for a modern look, you can create a kitchen that's not only beautiful but also practical and eco-friendly. Large kitchen islands with multifunctional features, hidden storage solutions for organization, warm and natural tones for a cozy ambience, textured surfaces for visual interest, enhanced lighting for functionality and aesthetics, personalized spaces tailored to your lifestyle, sustainable and smart flooring choices, and seamless integration of dining and cooking areas all contribute to a kitchen that's a joy to work in and a welcoming space for gatherings. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a design lover, or someone who values sustainability and innovation, these kitchen renovation ideas for 2024 offer something for everyone. So, roll up your sleeves, get inspired, and transform your kitchen into a space that reflects your personality and enhances your daily life. If you found these ideas helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more home renovation tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching.